now inside the building. Not in the unit, which is down there, but it's in the building. And I'm eating a cookie. What a good day. Just having a slight pause because we have managed to drain the fuel out of the Prelude, because you can see from the colour of it earlier, it was pretty gross. Obviously we've put a new fuel filter in, changed the injectors over and the fuel rails. I'm just going to go and grab some fresh fuel, 99 if I can get it, if not I'll get 97. Hopefully see if that helps it run better. So I am on the way to the petrol station. Annoyingly, where our unit is, because it's right on the coast, it's really little country roads in and out of town. There's no fuel stations, well there is one kind of local, but it's like part-time hours. They probably don't have high octane. So I am driving pretty much nearly back to where we live, probably a good 15-minute drive each way to get some fuel. This is the worst thing about being in the UK. The unit's in one town and we live in another town, but everything between it is just basically countryside. As you can see, coming up on the left, we have lots of sheep. Been to the first closest petrol station and they had no high octane fuel. I don't know what it's called in other countries, but here we have E5 and E10. E5 is normally like 97 or 99 octane, whereas like E10 is normally like 95, I think. They're like the two standard petrols. But I'm now going to the next closest fuel station. I found some E5! Yeah! Arrived back at the unit. There's 10 litres. I can do this one. I just want everyone to see the colour of the fuel that came out of the Prelude. Jenny, I paid good money for that!
Why is that coming out? Our jerry can's not very good for them.
That's tight on there as well. I don't know, there seems like a bit of a sweet spot.
No, I've not spilt a single drop. I'm really proud of myself.
Good then.
It is literally as black as anything.
Yeah, it will be. What might be best is for you to pull your head out a little bit. Oh. I apologise.
It's okay.
Lower the car down, because then the car's going to be level.
Let's play a game of which is my fuel that came out and which one's the oil. Drop it in the comments, let me know what you think, but they're both disgusting. I'm apparently not trusted to pour my oil in by any of these three.
Not a funnel, no.
Isn't it mad how oil is that colour? And then what came out of mine was not that colour.
Well, if you don't normally watch me service your Audi, that's what colour your Audi oil comes out like.
Right, it's home time. The Prelude today has had the old fuel that has been sat there for probably 16 years drained, new fuel filter, put the injectors that are better off my old other Prelude in, new fuel. What else have we done today, Brandon? Yeah, I don't know either.
Change the oil?
Yeah, change the oil, drained all the old oil out, put a new oil filter in, put new oil in. So the engine is now running much better than it was. I took a side skirt off. That's about it really. As always, thank you for watching. If you've made it this far, please pop a like and a comment. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Slowly creeping up to 100 subscribers, which is mad. Like, that's not a lot, but like to me it is. So yeah, I hope everyone has a good week, whatever day it is when you're watching this, and I'll see you next time.